The joint movement. This is probably the most important movement I do. I do it every morning, 365 days a year. Every day I do this. This is part of my morning routine. I give this to special forces. I give it to athletes. I give it to 75-year-old women and men. I give it to young kids. Everybody gets something out of this. It's very easy and simple, but it's about being mindful in the movement. The reason why it's so important is because we grow old in our joints. So this is where we stiffen, we fall, we break it, whatever. So the mobility and the strength in the joints are very important. This is what makes us move. So this and the fascia is something that we really want to keep mobile, soft, and strong at the same time. The joint movement is a daily practice, as I said, and it takes like between 10 and 15 minutes, depending on your reps. If you do it after 14 days, you will really feel a difference. You will the first time you try it, but 14 days in, you'll feel a big difference. After 3 months, you don't want to miss it. So just start doing it, follow along. I'll explain a lot in the first video, and then there's a second where you can just follow along.